This is where a family of 5 has lived since they were forcefully evicted by police in December, in a tent constructed out of tarpaulin, plastic water tanks and 44-gallon drums, and in conditions equivalent to that of refugee camps. Silat Silau's family are in the center of a court battle over the ownership of this house.
Eviction order come along district court, then we will appeal me along national court. From the national court, and now we will appeal me along Supreme Court.
Silau's wife is the plaintiff in a Supreme Court case. She wasn't present when this footage was filmed, but her husband has indicated that the odds are stacked up against them.
Only using police task force long come evicted me along property along December. December now approximately 2 months now we will sleep outside.
The house was owned by Mrs. Silau's maternal uncle, but when he died without a will, the public curator's office, as is usually the case in such circumstances, took responsibility for the property. Much of the details can't be said in the story because of the Supreme Court case, but what we do know is that the family was suddenly given an eviction notice and told that a buyer had reportedly made an initial down payment for the house.
We want them, Mrs. Blom, Mrs. Blom up, boy Blom, we want them, Papa Blom and Mrs. Blom, better na. Tamuman Blom, Mrs. Blom, Mrs. Blom.
The family cooks on the ground using a small gas stove. Their neighbors give them water when they need it, and they pay to use the public toilet in Eriku.
You just pay, you pay 1 kina na use him toilet, or ilag was, pay some money, 2 kina 50.
What is most concerning are the government agencies who are players in this whole story, and several others more. From the family's own investigations, the Public Curator's Office, the National Housing Corporation and the police all had a hand in the sale and the eviction. Whether legal or illegal is a matter yet to be decided in court. All this comes as public anger mounts over the National Housing Corporation's treatment of long-time residents all over the country. Last night, MTV News carried shocking pictures of a family evicted from their home of 53 years. In Lay's East Taraka suburb, those who have lived here since the 70s have been slapped with outstanding arrears and told to pay up or be evicted. Scott Waide, National MTV News.